Hello there everybody. In this video I'm going to show you exactly what you'll get when you purchase the T1 Splash Proof Power Strip with Surge Protector. As you can see, it comes in nice and professional packaging, and inside of the box you get pretty much everything you would need to get your power strip up and running. This includes a nice and easy to read user manual so you know all of the specifications associated with your new power strip. And taking a look at the power strip itself, as you can see, it has a really handsome design that will look fine in any environment. It is portable, so if you want to pick it up and take it to a different room, you can do so using the convenient handle on the top. You have pretty much all of the ports that you could expect on this power strip. You have 3 USB-A ports and you have 1 USB Type-C port that supports 20 watts of power delivery. And as shown on the screen right now, you have a total of 6 AC ports, 2 being on each side. You can use this power strip either indoors or outdoors. You have plenty of length with the power cord, and it is heavy duty. But one of the most impressive features about this power strip and what sets it apart from all of the others is you have a total of 10 different RGB light modes. You can set the power strip to display your favorite color, you can have it cycle through colors, or you can even have it move to the sound of your voice or music. You also have the option to turn all of the colors off if you want to. Testing. This is the voice control function. Another great feature about this power strip is that you have a convenient power button in the front. This makes it very simple to disable all of your ports on the power strip by simply touching a button. Another great feature about this power strip is that you can use both the USB ports and the AC ports at the same time. Also, as I said earlier, this unit is both splash proof and waterproof, so as you can see right now, even when it is completely wet, it still works without an issue. So I think you guys get the picture. Get rid of that old boring surge protector and pick up a T1. It does not only look good, it's also functional.